How to hide notes from someone on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's begin. Open Instagram on your device. Make sure you are logged in. Tap the message icon at top right corner. In the message section, locate and select the notes features at top left corner of your screen. Tap OK button, and now here you can easily type your message, video, or music to share. So let's type in here hi. And now below the input area, tap on share with followers. And now you can easily choose close friends. And you can easily edit your close friend by tapping close friends as well, and select the person to whom you want to share the note with and tap on done button. With that, select the share button at bottom right corner of your screen, and now it will be visible only to your selected friends. So in this way you can hide notes from someone on Instagram. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.